How incredible is that? Imagine waking up to that every single morning and then getting out in the water and doing some fishing. It is so pretty up here, man. Anyway, how's it going, guys? Good morning. Welcome to day number 3. Not day number 2. It's day number 3 up here in Michigan. Carp session has been pretty unreal. The first day went really well. I caught 2 carp. You know how that went. Yesterday didn't go that great for me. I don't think anyone's up yet. I don't know what the game plan is, but this is our last day in Upper Michigan. Definitely gonna fish. Don't know for how long. And after we're done fishing, we're gonna get back on the road and head to Illinois. But first, I'd like to catch at least one more big fish. Maybe. I think it's possible. I'm gonna wrap up this edit and I'll catch you guys later. Yo. Big carp are munching.
Yeah, nice shirt.
Thanks, dude. Look at that view. It just keeps getting prettier and prettier. What I really like about that view is how calm it is. That looks super chilled. Good for carp fishing.
Rocky Mountain High.
Brekkie time. That's what they call it in Australia. Did you guys know that? Brekkie? They don't even call it breakfast. They spell it B-R-E-A-K-I-E, I think? Brekkie? Yeah. I think it should be called Brekkie everywhere. It should be a worldwide consensus that that is what we changed the name to. We're going with the look today. Socks and flip-flops mean nothing but good luck. Time to get some brekkie. I think this is what we're going to get right there. If it'll focus, which it won't.
Wait, what?
I'm really excited about your breakfast.
Want to get some one?
With that looks amazing. Breakfast pizza, slow-mo that red hot. Oh heck yeah,
Here
here's
you go,
mine.
dear.
Thank you so much.
Can I bring anything else? There's some ketchup here.
I think we're
Would you
good.
like hot
We're
sauce?
We got it. We're
hot
good to
sauce.
go.
I'll check back.
Caught more carp than you, and then the other day you caught more carp than me.
We're not 1-to-1. I've caught 2 carp. You've caught 1 carp.
Oh, I think we're 1-to-1.
Also snagged another, which was going after my fly, but I set the hook a little too late. More importantly, check out this blue ass water. Welcome to day number 3, the very last and final day here in beautiful Pure Michigan. I myself am up on the hot seat, or I guess the hot cooler. The idea is to stand on top of these big coolers when you're fishing for these fish, just like if you're, you know, going after tarpon or bonefish. I know I've used that analogy 1,000 times, it's getting a little old, but seriously, it's the best way I can describe it. Get higher up, get a better view of the playing field, and see what's going on. So I'm up to bat. Then after I crank a 30 or 35 pounder, Chris is up, and then he'll dust up some micros. But seriously though, look at how blue this water is. This is pretty nice. Yeah. I haven't even seen one yet. But I'm not even seeing some darters on the right. I'm not even seeing any scooters on the right. Ghost town. We've almost done a complete loop of the entire island that we've been fishing for the past 2 days. And I have seen maybe 3 carp, which isn't that crazy if I wouldn't have seen 3,000 carp just in this side of the island, let alone the entire thing. That's kind of a Debbie Downer. We may have to switch gears and either go find a different island or like completely scrap carp for the day and then chase after another species. The good thing is it's Lake Michigan, so there's a lot here to offer. We were hoping to get that last big Bertha. And thus far we've seen jack squiddly squat. Carp just dabbed on us.
The carp dabbed on us so hard.
So badly. We didn't see a single freaking catchable fish. Not actually, we saw 3 fish on the deal. So I think the plan is Jay's kind of like, all right, you guys have caught carp. It's been done, and we're just gonna try something different now. Yeah. For the sake of you guys too, I'm sure a lot of you guys out there love fly fishing and carp fishing, but just for your sanity and my sanity, let's go after something different today. What do you say? Come on, join us, gang. Let's go get something else. That is so me in like 30 years. I need to take up a new hobby.
Concrete skiing.
Carp bite is crust. I just need to get my skis out. What is that called? Land-based skiing?
No, it's like
concrete skiing.
It's for what is it? Cross-country skiers. I assume when they can't ski.
That's not what it's called though.
I mean, you're not looking at an expert in the field right now.
The dude looks like he's on like 2 little Tron bikes. I have no problem with it. I think it's actually sick. I'm trying to get on that wave. That guy is scooting.
You can't talk about anyone's footwear when look what you're wearing.
Oh, come on. I wasn't talking about his footwear. I was just making a point. Here's the other problem too. This net right here, it's dry and it doesn't smell like fish. So we need to change that. So what are we gonna do, Jay?
Medium smallmouth fish.
Oh no. John's going back to the spinning rods. in the casting gear. Exactly. That's exactly what I'm about to do right now. And we're going after smallmouth. It looks like they're having a bargain bin sale at Cabela's, and Chris just went ape.
These two colors are the best colors.
Do you throw them just like this? Were you saving this one for later?
Yeah.
I'm surprised these aren't pre-rigged worms. What flavor is this one?
What flavor?
Tequila?
Lemon lime.
Margarita? Oh, thank you so much.
Get the f out of here.
Enough lollygagging around. Let's go catch some fish. Let's get them. I'm on. I'm already on. First cast, dude. It's gonna be kind of kooky out here. That was literally just blind casting. Oh my gosh, Chris, this is gonna be stupid. Dude, mine's nice too. Mine's like big.
Are you talking about the bubble gum?
This will wake you up after not seeing any carp this morning, making one cast and catching a smallmouth on the first cast.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, I got a good one right now. Oh my goodness. Double nut job?
Dude, that's a female.
That's a big female. Yeah. No, I'm good. I got her. Yeah! Holy smokes! That was actually unreal. This is actually insane. Like, we made a heavy audible today, and it like pulled off. When does that ever happen? When when does it ever happen?
Audibles ever work out?
We took one cast each and hooked up. This is like probably one of my bigger Michigan smallies, definitely.
Well, there should be many
So
more.
if the carp aren't biting, we can count on the smallmouth, right? Hey, put her there.
Put her there,
Put her there, Jay. Put her there, Jay. Captain Jay Cooper. Hopefully we catch some more. Oh, that was a big one. God, he's gone. Woo! I literally think that I was blind casting. We're supposed to be looking for beds right now, but I just threw out there in the abyss and hooked up. I wasn't even paying attention. You guys probably saw on the GoPro before I even knew it, but the rod was bending as that bait was dropping down. Must have landed like right either on top of bed or fairly close to one.
That was cool.
Hooked up. That was freaking sick. Wow. They don't fight as hard as carp, but I love smallmouth. This is not a small one. Look at the size of this one. Yeah.
That one.
Ooh! Another freshwater grouper. So Chris was just saying how these northern Michigan smallies look so much different than the ones like in other lakes, like let's say in Wisconsin or Tennessee. I'm gonna do a comparison. This is what a Michigan smallmouth looks like up here in the Great Lakes, and this is what the fish in Tennessee look like. Look at the difference. I don't know which I like more. Actually, I really like the colors on these. These guys are pretty. Back she goes. Smallmouths and plaid. That's what's up. 3 casts, 2 fish, boom. Thankfully the smallmouth are biting because the carp sure weren't. I'm gonna make some more casts. That was so much fun. I'm praying to God this thing does not fall. Big boat flip on this guy. Hit the deck. I just knew when I threw the socks with the flip-flops on this morning that it would come into some huge luck and big plays. Nice. This thing is stupid. It's just cranking them. Hooked up. Hooked up. Hooked up. Ooh! Can we get the net out real quick? Yeah. Can we get...
I'll just wait. I'll get the net.
Get the net, Chris! Oh, wow. That's a freaking stud. Oh, it's just... Seriously, can you scoop it? Thanks, man. Woo!
That's a nice one.
Smallies today. Smallies today.
Nice.
Carp yesterday. They're out here destroying Nedleys. It's been so long, I've forgotten how to hold a smallmouth. I didn't expect to catch any big smallmouth this trip. It was supposed to be kind of like fly fishing only, but today we had to pull an audible. Dude, that freaking island was ghostly. There's not a single fish on there. This is roughly about a 4-pounder, and no doubt about it, my biggest small of the trip. Is it good?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Big Bertha. Hey, put her there, man. That
Put her
was
there, bud.
freaking fun. Wow, a little bit of a hybrid trip.
Yeah.
Carp and smallies. Let's get some more.
Thank you, bud.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, Jay, for everything. See you, bud.
See ya.
What a guy, right?
What a guy.
Man, it's all about big fish catches, good eats, and meet some chillers. Jay and Daryl are definitely some of the biggest chillers that I've met up here in Michigan.
Fly anglers.
Fly anglers too. Long road trip back.
We gotta get food first.
We gotta get food first, and then we're out. You guys, thank you so much for watching this little mini series. It was a lot of fun. Don't forget, if you want to book a trip with these dudes and try to catch your first ever carp on the fly, or a big one for that matter, because they get really big over here, check the link in the description below. They haven't started officially guiding yet, but they're now booking in advance. So if you want to book a trip, be like the first in line to do so. It's a lot of fun. I actually really highly recommend it, and I'm not just saying that. Anyway, we're boot scooting out of here. Chris, anything you want to add before we leave?
I caught a carp on a fly, so I didn't think it was gonna be possible.
Right? I didn't think it was gonna be freaking that easy either. Fat check mark. Catch you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never